Data science requires experimentation. Software engineering doesn't really do that, right? So keep that in mind, because this is where you're running experiments. This is your lab. You should be keeping track of these experiments. Just like a chemist would write down and say, oh, this time I'm going to use 10 milliliters, but last time I used 5 milliliters or whatever. Like, we're doing the same thing. Oh, this time I use this learning rate. Now this time I'm going to use this other learning rate. Like, this is where data science is running experiments. Super important for you guys to see it that way, because then you start to understand the importance of it. You guys with me on that? But just keep that in mind. Like, you should have a permanent connection in your brain. When I'm talking about grid searching, when I'm talking about trying different hyperparameters, those are my experiments. That's me working in my lab, in my, hey, I don't know what the answer is, but I'm going to find out by running experiments. That's that phase, right? Your grid search phase. You guys with me on that? Super, super important concept. And we see this, I think you can see it more clearly than you can in other models. Like, you can get a sense of this from other models, like regression methods, right? But you really kind of understand it the most here in neural networks, because grid searching is such a defined portion of what we do in our code. Okay? Khalid says it automates the trial and error process. Yeah, sure.